How to scan TikTok QR code. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel and let's get right into this tutorial. Start off by launching your TikTok application in your device. Now make sure that you are logged in and that your TikTok application is up to date. Now once you do so, tap on the profile icon that is in the bottom right corner. From here, you will see the share profile option. Click on it. This is the QR code that you can share with a friend to connect with your TikTok account. If you wish to scan a particular TikTok QR code, in the top right corner you will see the scan option. You can tap on it. Then just locate the TikTok QR code that you are trying to scan. Make sure the QR code is within the square box given over here. Now, if your TikTok QR code is in the gallery, you can tap on the gallery option. Then you can select on the TikTok QR code. Then it will automatically scan and you'll be able to follow the user. Now, if you do not have such feature on your TikTok, this means your TikTok application needs an update. In order to do so, check out your Play Store and tap on the search icon to search for your TikTok. Now, if you see any of the update button, just make sure to leave your TikTok application for an update. This sums up the tutorial as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.